Hey, this is Rafe at Bullyan RV. So you'll be walking you around this brand new Forest River. This is a 2020 FR3 33DS. Just an awesome floor plan for a couple. Lots of space. Comes with everything you need. Little awnings over the slide outs. People love that. You're not going to get pine needles and leaves up there when you're trying to close your slides. Side cameras mounted below the frame. Sloped dash. Get a better field of vision. Nice light up FR3 logo up there. It's prep for solar. And again, this is a Ford V10. Little outdoor entertainment center here. Nice big power awning, LED lights underneath. I promise it goes no further than that. Just put it out a little bit for effect. Lots of storage back here. Some power hookups. Plenty of storage. This big rear storage compartment here that reaches all the way to the other side. Ladder to get up on the roof, do your maintenance. There's a fully walkable roof. It does come with a backup camera. This window into the bedroom. This big living room slide here. And a lot more storage on this side as well. Of course, you got your 5500 Onan generator. Propane. Let's take a look inside here. Coming right in, you got all your controls for battery disconnect, awning power, step power, awning light, bed controls for the bunk up here. And you can drive with it in the down position, which is a major plus. Speakers up here. Nice clean cab. Makes it really simple for you. You don't have buttons and controls everywhere. You got them all nice in one central location. Electronic leveling over here. Nice big booth dinette with some storage underneath. Plenty of counter space. Tons of storage. Giant microwave and a nice big oven as well. 3-burner cooktop. Little appliance garage back here. Just an incredible amount of storage. Nice big TV. Got your fireplace for heat and ambiance. Theater seating, those do recline, and you got some storage above as well. Easy access storage. Double door fridge and freezer. Little pantry for even more storage. Maybe a little workstation. Spot to set some ornaments or pictures. Let in some natural light. Coming into the bathroom, you do have a washer and dryer all set up to go for you. Really clean looking here. It fits storage just about everywhere. And coming into the bedroom, you have your own temperature control back here. There are 2 AC units, one back here in the bedroom and one up there in the front. Ducted AC and ducted heat throughout the whole unit. Nice big bed. Plenty of storage up above, and like I said, you get this nice rear window. You can see at the back. Really opens it up. That's in the natural light. Lots of hanging storage on both sides here. Nice little desk area, more storage underneath. And of course your secret little compartment behind the TV. Give you a couple more shots of the floor plan here. And once again, my name is Rafe. If you have any questions about this unit or anything else we have in the lot, please give me a call. My phone number is 218-591-5257. We'll talk to you soon.